Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to hide app in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first go to your app screen and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that scroll down a bit and here you can see hide apps on home and app screen option. Then just tap here and that's it. From here you can hide any apps as you want. Suppose if you want to hide Facebook from your home and app screen, then just select it. Then tap on done and it's done. Now just go to home screen and app screen. Now you cannot find Facebook on the home screen or app screen because it's hidden now. Now if you want to unhide any app, just go to same settings again. Now to unhide any apps, you have to just tap on this minus icon. Then tap on done and it's done. Now go to app screen. You can see Facebook has been removed from hidden app list. And that is how you can hide apps in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.